Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is May 10. It's noontime at 12. And welcome to the channel. This is Crypto Market Watch. And this is our first PowerPoint representation for financial engineering analyst level 1. Welcome to the channel. Um, let's get started. So most people try not to um, get into crypto, and I got this cursor over here in the upper left. Most people will never get into one, but crypto's been around for like 16 years now, and it never go drop to zero. And when I created this PowerPoint, it was on March 22, 2026, and some of the numbers have changed already. There's only 21 million of Bitcoin, and there's 8 billion people in this whole world. The second picture in the upper left, second to the top, is Crypto.com with all the major players up there: JP Morgan, Coinbase, and they are jumping in. You see crypto ETFs, stable coin, bunch of big financial companies jumping into crypto. So it's not going away. Um, they still have the ups and downs on it. Last year on October 10, Bitcoin is up to 125,000 a coin. And today, May 10, Bitcoin is 81,456,000 per coin. So it's bounced back up because it dropped to 60,000 in the January, from October 10th to January of 2026, and it's bouncing back again. Um, if you see the picture in the left, the third one in the bottom, breaking news: all accounts of Bank Milli and Bank SEPA, the two largest banks in Iran, are locked, and all cash withdrawn are disabled. So those are the bank controls fiat money. With the war going on in Iran, the banks decided nobody can withdraw money when you need it most. So that's the control they can do with it. With crypto, it's on blockchain. It's in your phone, and it's 24/7. Talking about adaptation, if you go in the upper right, you go see there's a Walmart, and Walmart launches Bitcoin and Ethereum trading on OnePay. If you're familiar with OnePay, letting shoppers use crypto for everyday purchase. So your OnePay platform or application on your phone convert your crypto to the US dollar that you can use it for purchasing um, any goods you like. That's form of part of our adaptation. So you will eventually have some sort of crypto that you don't even know that you'll be using purchasing in the future. And on the bottom right, as this picture was taken on May 2, 1945, and they were selling that hat from Merrill's, the CC Sailor, for $1.98. If you search that, you found something similar to that kind of hat. It's probably like 35 bucks right now. So what changed? It's the same hat, same materials that used to it. It should be cheaper now because acquiring materials to create that hat is a lot easier than back then in 1945. So this is building wealth and secure your future because even if you have the fiat money, the $1.98 that you saved in 1945 won't let you purchase the same hat today at 2026. I'll go for the next slide. The 20 million Bitcoin has been mined as of 2025 January 15. It's all out. There's only 1 million left in BTC to mine. And there's no more after that. 21 million, that's our number. So it's like buying a property in an island. Let's say Hawaii. You have a portion of a land in Hawaii that's not gonna expand anymore. It's the only square footage you have over there. And what's gonna happen is the price of that land just keep growing in the future. It's just gonna get expensive because everybody wants to have a piece of land over there, and they're all taken. And what's gonna happen is you have to buy it more expensive than what how much you can buy now. 20 years from now, price just keep going up. Same thing with Bitcoin. We gonna run out of supplies, and the people that holds it, price value is gonna go up, and you jumping in. Oh, that never goes away. Um, Price still going up. I want to get into it. I want to buy into it, and there's no more to buy because people are holding. So some people sell it on the expensive side for you because some people is gonna take profit out of it, and you'll be buying it in the higher end. Something to think about. And this is my crypto. It's the ticker name is JMP. Don't get left behind. Store value. See you in 10 years. This is taken on February 25, 2026. The price is 0.00001431. As of today, on May 10, we have 0.00001807. And this coin is programmed in cryptocurrency designed when Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum goes up, their match ratio with it. So whatever the price of Bitcoin and Solana and Ethereum, this coin goes up with it. So to to grow in the future, especially if you got 20 years or 30 years to go, this is the best way to do it. So tools you need to grow. You need a strategy, how to multiply that money. Compounding interest is one. It's been there for a long time. Albert Einstein said it was the eighth greatest wonder of the world, and even Warren Buffett used that. He's been investing since he was 20 years old. He was a multi-billionaire when he's at this age of 90s right now at 2026. Second part is you gotta have discipline. Discipline is whatever you can afford. $5 a week, $20 a week, $100 a week, or $500 a week. You know, and you gotta stay focused on it. You don't sell when the market drop because you're in the red already and you're losing money and you gotta sell it. Once you sell it, you lock in your losses. So you gotta stay with it. Or you can do a dollar cost averaging. So you buy some more. So let's say you buy 100 share for $10 a share on any stocks or crypto, and it went down to $5. So you lose 50%. You buy same amount, and that's what you call a dollar cost averaging. So now your dollar cost average price of that stocks or crypto is 750 instead of $10 because you buy the same amount of stocks. And the next one is time. Time compounds everything. So if you compound it for the next 30 years, you're in a good shape. And funding. Funding is from your hard earned money. You go work. My rules with that is if you really don't have much to start, it's always good to start now. So if you work 40 hours a week, put $40 a week, 1 hour of your pay. You get paid 20 bucks, $30, $50, $60 an hour. Start with $1 an hour. So you're paying yourself $1 an hour to invest. So this system that we have that we engineered is a crypto plus stocks equals growth. Um, Stocks that gave dividend payout and you grow your system. So patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success from Napoleon Hill. And Latin word potentia excipentia means knowledge is power. So the more knowledge you have, you feel more powerful how to do this. So do your own research. This is just your start, giving you a seed on your head that it could be done. There's a way to do it, and we are here as your community for it. That's actually me in that picture. So if you see me, say hi if you see this video, and I'll be happy to talk about what's our plan in the future. So Coinbase price of BTC as of March 22, 2026, it was priced at 68,810 on March 22. Like I said, we our high in 2025 on October 10 was 125,000. And they get scared on the 4 year halving that they called. So people cash out in October. And from October to January, went down to like 60,000. But by March, we're back in 68. And by today, May 10, Bitcoin is up 81,456 to date. So it just kept bouncing back. You never know what the market's gonna do. It might go down again, but there's a potential if it's going back to 125 again. The adaptation is still new. Only 5% on this world is in crypto, and it's just like an email. 30 years ago, not everybody used email, and right now everybody got an email. apply for a work, you get an email. You scheduled a car repair, you get an email. You pay for your car insurance, you get an email notification. You order something on Amazon, you get an email notification. So this is technology adaptation with it. Same thing with crypto. Crypto's been around 16 years and we're still adapting to it. The good thing I'll tell you is you're still in the early stage of it. 20 years from now, everybody will be in crypto. Fiat money will still be there, but crypto will be there too. And nowadays, not everybody got cash in their hand. They use their card. They use their debit card. It's good as cash. It's the same thing will be in the future. You're gonna have crypto. Your crypto converts to U.S. dollar, and you can use it as a form of payment. All right. So with this slide, we got Coinbase at March 2026, $68,000. Yeah, you buy $5,000 if you have the money. This is just an example of Bitcoin. And the good thing with Coinbase, you can borrow from your Bitcoin. You can borrow up to 75% of your Bitcoin. So if you buy 5,000, you can borrow up to 3,000 on it or 3,200. But I won't recommend that because your liquidity volume, your LBT will be too high. You take 50% of it, so it's 2,500. Now you have 2,500 USD. On top of that, you have 5,000 worth of Bitcoin. So you use that Bitcoin as a collateral and you buy a ULTY. ULTY is a ETF and it pays 41 cents per share as of March 22, 2026. So if you buy worth 2,000 of ULTY, that will be 62 shares. And you get 62 shares times 41 per shares, it equals to $25. And they pay weekly. So you're getting back $25 weekly. And price of JMP, my coin was 0.00001542 at a time at 3/22/2026. And put $500 in it because we are building that coin as a store value. The future of that is we'll be putting a staking on it. Same thing as dividends. When we hit $1 a coin, we're gonna put our second program, our phase two, for staking. So you don't have to sell your JMP. You just have to stake it, and you get dividends or token rewards in it. Um, then you could use the token rewards for your spending, or you can reinvest it. So buy 500 out of your 2,500. 2,000 goes to ULTY, and that's not the only ETFs that I have. So I want you to follow us on our channel, and I will keep you guys posted what else ETFs that pays weekly dividends. So $25 weekly cycle starts here. So when you get your $25, you buy a $10 out of that on a Bitcoin. So every week you're growing your Bitcoin stash of $10. High or low, it doesn't matter. That adds up. 30 years, $10 a week, do the math. Uh, Out of the 25, you have $10, you buy ULTY. Grows the dividend. So that $25, you buy another 10. Yeah, probably got $25.10 next week. $25.20 the second week. So you just keep going up because you're growing it and you still keep buying your LTY and you're growing your Bitcoin. $5 goes to JMP for your long term growth. You got a million people buying JMP, you'll be good. Uh, this is part of the game, you know. You gotta know how it go. But this is growing your stash. Three assets: Bitcoin, ULTY, and JMP, or other ETF that you have. Um, because ULTY is a utility, we can go for a different market with crypto ETFs with pays weekly. You can have a Nvidia ETFs that goes pays weekly. You can have an Amazon ETFs with pays weekly. There's a lot of them. So follow the channel, follow our community on Facebook. And our last slide is push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. You know, 10 years from now, you come across this and you tell me if you don't start even $5 a week or something to start that journey, you let me know. Place a comment 10 years from now, and we'll see what we come up to. But I believe that Bitcoin will be up in the next 20 years because people are just waking up and they say, "Oh, I want to put $100 in there. I want to put $200. I want to put 1,000 and just leave it there." And that system like that is same thing as your 401k. You're retiring at 2045, 2036, 2055, and you put that money in the index funds. And you say, "Oh, my index fund's going up." Kept going up, because everybody in your age bracket is putting money in it. So it's compiling on top of each other. So the value of those index is going up. Same thing with the Bitcoin. People are waking up. People putting $10 here, $100 there, $1,000 or 10,000, and just leaving it in there. So the value of Bitcoin just kept going up. Same thing with my coin. I don't know. Every time you put money in it, it just kept piling up, and it's gonna accumulate. The more people wakes up, the more people put their money in it, the more the value goes up. Like I said, the base two of my coin will be staking. So once you get your coin in it, you don't even have to sell it, and you just have to stake it, and you get the dividends on it. If you hit the retirement age, you just get the stake rewards in it. So let's say as of now you buy $25 of my coin, that will give you a million coin on it, on $25. And if we reach our goal for $1 before we go staking, and we have a million coin, and we start our staking program, and you times that on 2%, it's 50 grand a year staking for it. Again, you know, even Wall Street have this on the upper right. Bitwise, it might make sense just to get some in case it catch up. Satoshi Nakamoto, creator of Bitcoin. They got two QR codes over here. If you want to open your Coinbase app, just scan that, and on the right is our JMP community on Facebook. My name is Jason Pena. I'm the developer of the JNP token. My number is 860-259-7069. Gotta fix that. I got 7067 on the slide. And you can always drop me a text or give me a call. Page one, storage of value. Page two is token rewards. Once we got to that token rewards and everybody's happy, And we might have to open an ETF, a JMP ETF and stocks. I hope this helps, and I'll see you 10 years from now. This is your financial engineering analyst level 101. It's good to be obsessed on something, but like cooking, um, arts, or anything, well, it's still good to be obsessed on financial. That I guarantee. So if you bump into this channel, I think you're thinking about it and how to create wealth in the future.